Some Garmin watches supports the Music app feature. This tutorial video may also apply to more music apps in the future, but we will be demonstrating the Amazon Music app today. First, download the Music app from Garmin Connect IQ to the watch. Make sure your watch and the Garmin Connect app are connected. Then access the Connect IQ store from the menu. Search Amazon and download the Music app. Select the connected device icon. Select General. Then select Wi-Fi networks to set up the Wi-Fi. Enter the settings on your watch. Go to Music. Select Music Providers. Select Amazon. When you use it for the first time, please go to the website that shows on your watch by your phone or computer. Sign in with your Amazon account. You will receive a verification email. Enter the code that shows on your watch. And then enter your phone number to finish the setting. Select Browse. Select playlists you'd like to download onto your watch. Once the watch receives the Wi-Fi, it will start to sync. Go to Playlist. You will see the downloaded playlist. When you select a song, your watch will ask you if you want to pair with your headphones. Once they are paired, you can start enjoying your music. If you have updated your playlist in your Music app, select Update Downloads to sync the latest playlist. Then you can follow the previous step to listen to the music on your watch.